Hello everyone. Nice to be here, doing this for the first time, making a fool of myself because I have no idea what's going on. I don't know how to do this. I'm very bad with it. I hope everyone is staying safe and taking care of their health. If you're not, then I'm sure Vidyut will have a lot of good tips for all of us. Okay, I have Vidyut Jamal unable to join. Okay, Vidyut, we shall wait for you. Come on, Vidyut. I've added you. Where are you? There you are. Ganpati Bappa Moria. I also just finished my aarti.
Good to see you, my man.
Okay. Good to see you as well, yeah. Listen, I know this is a promotional thing for Khuda Hafiz, but I want to tell you I genuinely admire you, and I really love your work. And there is a lot about you that inspires me. The way you are, there's a gentleness about you. There is you're tough on the exterior. I can see your heart. I can see your soul through your eyes. You are a very incredible example for all of us.
So like all the good things you said to me, a true warrior will recognize another warrior. So thank you. And your mom is the real warrior because you know when she messaged me, and I was telling you about this, that it was so nice to get a message from an amazing woman. Who's raised her kids so well. I felt very nice.
Like I had no idea she had already called you. I had no idea. Thank you. I'm sure she's watching this, so she's gonna love it. She's a big fan.
My mom's watching it too.
How sweet. Hello to both the moms. Love you.
Hello to both the moms.
So listen, let me ask you some of the things that I wanted to ask you about the film. You know, I see you and I know that you're capable of doing incredible action, and you have, like, from your posture to your grace, you have an action hero's grace. But in this film specifically, you had to let go of that because you were playing a character. And I have done that sometimes in my life, and I know it requires a lot of courage and conviction in the character to let go of the postures, you know, the posturing that you have been trained in. I didn't see any of that throughout the film, and that is applause worthy because that really shows that you are trying to immerse yourself into the character. And I really want to ask you, was that something that you had to decide? Was that a decision you took?
You know, Hrithik, people haven't really come to me with scripts like this where I really have to play a real life character. Normally they come to me with biopics of some athletes or some bodybuilders. For me, Khuda Hafiz was completely about untraining who I am.
Yeah,
I had to understand everything I've done from the way I walk. And I realized whilst I was doing it that all the actors who made a mark have really worked really hard. Because they've gone through this journey that I've just stepped upon.
Yeah.
And I was...
You know, the particular scene I really like, it's a scene where you're on the hunt and you're on the search, and you go to the embassy, and there's a lady there, and you have to request her, and you're frightened, you are desperate, you still have to be polite, and you have to be restrained. That particular scene really stood out for me because I saw that and I knew that, yeah, there's something about you that is very special. There is something that is, there is a certain focus in your eyes. There's a certain, I think, I suspect that comes from the fact that you have disciplined yourself so much. You know, you stand for something that you believe in. There's so much passion in you that, and you're humble at the same time. So there's a particular focus in your eyes which is very attractive, and you use that so well. I mean, I don't think you used it, but I mean, you just happen to have it. So it came across really well. I really thought that scene was a difficult scene to do.
So the way I've been trained, I have an erect spine. Everything is there's a place where I want to be, like with perfection. But for this movie, I had to be completely the way we see people who are not trained. So for me to even fight the way we...
Yeah, I know, yeah.
I had to just leave it all and I had to come from blocks to... And for me, it was quite new. And I have to give a lot of credit to Farooq the director, because he used to scream on the mic, Vidyut, you're not Commando, you're Sameer. So for me,
I also believe that it is always the director, who creates that space so that you can do what you can do. It's always the director, but it also takes courage from the actor's point of view. We must give ourselves a pat on our back when we do that. So well done on that.
Patting our backs a lot more than you do actually. I was watching Ritik. I just watched. I think about a month back, I watched this batch of 2020 you did, a conversation for motivational. It was a motivational speech. I have to tell you, very cool, man. I loved the way you spoke from your heart, and it was quite important.
Thank you.
I love the way I read the messages, and it's quite nice that you can change a lot of lives from your own experiences, and it was very nice to watch it.
Thanks a lot. Yeah, I really believed in that, and I think that is something that drives you as well. What I see in you is that you also want to cause some kind of change. You want to inspire, and you have been doing that, and you've been doing that really well, because it somehow, through my mother, somehow it came to my mom, through my mom it came to me. I got to know about you. I started to follow all things that you were saying. I followed your diet. I know you're a vegetarian, and I really like that you keep yourself surrounded by nature, and the martial arts that you are trained in. Tell me something more about that. It's called Kalari Pipe, right?
Perfectly said.
Kalari Pipe.
Perfectly said.
Kalari Pipe is something that is completely keeps you functional, and it incorporates a lot of animal moves, and it's like being one with nature.
So for me, Kalari Pipe started with Lord Shiva. For me, it's very important for people to just be aware that this is the mother of all martial arts.
It is. That's where it started. It started here in India.
And we Indians need to just know this, because like when I do something, like if I'm on spears or if I'm balancing myself on bottles and people say, oh, Vidyu, I've seen one of the Shaolin monks do it. For me, it's like saying that, we started it, we need to get it back. We all are as fit. Yeah. The Indians are the elitist beings, in my opinion. So for us, I feel very proud that I represent Kalari Pipe, and I feel very proud that it's like you inspire a generation.
If someone like me wants to learn, I'm 46 now, and if I want to learn, and if I want to learn,
I feel very proud of it, because normally I used to watch videos internationally, and I always wondered that this is ours. So I really thank you for asking me this. I want to say thank you to all the people who are promoting Kalari Pipe on social media. I've been watching you, whether you're in Kerala, whether you're in Delhi, whether you are in Haryana. I feel proud. We need to get our legacy back. This is ours.
I feel you, man. I feel what you're saying. And I also want to try my hand at this.
No, I watch you.
No, you watch me. I'm trying to make the best use of my time. So I'm learning a little bit of piano, a little bit of voice training. I'm trying to sing. Let's see. कुछ होगा उसके साथ तो होगा.
So Ritik, I have this show on YouTube called X-Ray. Why I started is because when I speak to journalists and they talk to me about fitness, and I'm sure they ask you the same questions that they ask me. For example, what do you eat? When do you sleep? Blah 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 blah. So I realized that the fans don't really get the real answers, because what I eat, how much I sleep, how much I train will not make them look the way we are, you and I.
Yeah, that's true.
Right?
That's true.
So
what do you do on the channel?
I started the show where I asked fitness legends, like I spoke to Tony Jaa, I spoke to Michael Jai White, about the things that I wanted them to ask me, the journalist.
Nice.
So that's why I asked you your process, because I would really, that's why the curiosity came. What does Ritik Roshan do? How does he get into this?
But the bottom line is, and also I have subscribed to your channel already before I came on this Insta Live. So I'm going to watch. I already saw one where you were explaining your vegetarian diet, and I got inspired. Man, someday I have to go completely vegetarian, and that day is coming soon. So I'm going to use your platform to kickstart that process in my mind, because I really feel that is going to be the future of all our diets. Go vegetarian. Yeah. क्या बोल रहे थे आप? You were saying?
So मैं बोल रहा था यार, great respect to all your fans from my side. I want to say to them that you guys have been really kind to a lot of people. You stand by the star that we all respect. So kudos to you. You guys are amazing, and this man deserves all the respect, all the kindness, because he is worthy of it, and he's a really great guy. He's a super talented human being. I love the relationship, Ritik, you have with your mom. I'm a mama's boy, by the way. I want to tell you, I could be like this action whoever, but mama's boy for sure, always. And I watch you with your mom.
Really sweet. And I agree what you said. Sometimes we have good days, and sometimes we have bad days, and the support that we get from our fans is something that we should never take for granted. And kind of like give them a silent promise that we continue to keep working hard for them, so that we can always deserve that love.
The fans, I watch people, I talk about Jamalians who I love. They have this fiery, there are these different kinds of people in the army. One are these really fiery ones, one are these very sensible ones, one are these really kind ones, one are these people who try and get the whole family together. I love these fans. They're bigger than anything in this world. Fans are like mothers, they will only praise you. I see my pictures and I'm like, dude, I'm looking so bad in this. And they're like, Vidya Jama's favorite picture. Ritik, when my mom watched Commando 3, she came out of the theater and she called me and she's like, I loved you, he was so good, blah, blah, blah. Singhu, मैं एक बात बोलूं, सबसे अच्छा एक्शन मेरा बेटा करता है. Now you should do some other roles. So much jumping, all this you have to stop. So I'm like, okay, nice. Then she watched Khuda Hafiz and she said, loved the movie.
She must have loved it.
She loved the movie. She's like, but in the end, so much blood, it doesn't look nice on you. I love moms. She didn't want the blood on her face.
So sweet, yeah. But
what does your mom say about your risky jumps and stunts you do?
Yeah, she doesn't need to, because I've done a lot of that, and when I did those kind of stunts, I was trained, I think, in the wrongest ways, because there was no technique, there was nobody there to guide you as to how to train for a particular action stunt. So I did it all the wrong way and I injured all the parts of my body. But now, we have people like you. There's Tiger. There are so many of the actors in the new generation now who are like examples of the right technique. From diet to technique to being trained professionally is something that is very, very inspiring. And I think today I am trying now, since I started war, I have started to adopt those techniques. Otherwise, first it was all about just the aesthetics, just get the muscles and look good and stand in a particular way. Now it's really about fitness. It's about health. And thanks to you, that we are getting more informed and more educated, which is great, which is what we need. Vidyut, what's next on your plan?
The lockdown to get over completely. I'm hoping that everybody gets safe. Nations or any department, anybody I know wants to go back to the jobs. So just anybody else, I'm excited to be on the set. I want to meet all the people.
That's incredible.
What did you do unique? Apart from
what I do unique? Yeah, I
in this
time really well. Yeah. I use the time really well. Yeah, I'm trying to learn how to sing. I am also spending a lot of time, fixing myself. There are a lot of small injuries that I've sustained over the years, and it's kept me, slowly. It's made me a little bit of a, it slowed me down. So I'm fixing myself. I'm using all kinds of things, learning, and I'm just fixing myself. So I spend about 4 to 5 hours a day, doing my stretches, some yoga, Pilates, and a lot of functional stuff. I have started to follow you now, so I'm going to, try some things that you'll offer, I'm sure. And I hope that will help. I'm sure it will. So yeah, that's what I've been doing. I've also been.
That if you can, there's a lag. In Kalaripet, Ritik, they say if you can fix your spine up, the spine, the pelvis, the sacrum, you sorted. All the
reminding me. It's great.
No, when I meet you next, we'll align your body up a bit. And honestly, doctors don't know so much.
Let's do it. Let's do it, and we'll shoot it, and we'll, offer that to all our fans, so that while you train me, they also get trained.
That's a good one. Let's
do that.
Did you like the what? This is the first time I've had like romantic songs in my movie. Normally it used to be knock knock tera baap aaya. Now it's become a bit. Did you enjoy the songs?
I loved the title track. In fact, it's a good way to part ways right now until we meet next. Do you know the song? Because I loved it. I can't remember it, but I loved that song.
I just heard you telling me that you've been trying to sing during this lockdown. I would like you to start.
अरे कुछ तो help कर दे यार.
वो ऐसे है.
Start तो कर दे थोड़ा.
I'm very bad, but I'll try to get it.
Okay, let me.
फिर कभी
हम मिलेंगे फिर कभी. What's the word? हम मिलेंगे फिर किसी दिन तब तलक खुदा हाफिज ये जुदाइयों का है दिन तब तलक खुदा हाफिज
पल ये बीत जाएगा प्यार हमारे. You're a singer
sing,
too.
Man, you sing. You are good.
No, I sing in my head and my ears, but people, they don't think alike.
Singing somewhere, somehow, in our hearts, our minds, and our bodies, it doesn't matter.
It should be a good song, right? A happy song or any song?
It should be any song. Yeah. You convert every emotion of yours into music. It becomes amazing. You romance the pain, romance the happiness, romance everything in your life. That's what I believe.
Ritik, thanks for blessing all of us, man, with your creativity over the past 20 years. Thank you. You made this effort.
You are very kind.
You appreciating it, man.
Thank you very much. I have not been able to see you at all in this, but I have really enjoyed my chat with you, and I want to continue this. Yes, let's thank our fans. Thank you very much, guys, for joining us. And with you, let's keep our word, our promise that you and I are going to get together, and we are going to get trained. I mean, you'll train me, and sort my spine out, like you said.
Before I go, Ritik, first things first. One more time to your mother, Shat Pranam, man, for raising a man like you. Thank you for making this effort. Thank you for encouraging me. And Jambalians, I love you. Thank you for being there. You've taken it all, and it's our time to celebrate. Disney Hotstar, thank you very much. Great teamwork. Ritik Roshan, I love you.
Thanks. I love you too, man. Thanks a lot. And to all your fans, you guys are amazing. Keep supporting Vidyut. He's a great guy. And I love you all. And thank you. See you, Vidyut. I'll see you soon. I've not been able to see you here. I might as well see you in real soon.
God bless you, man.
All right. Thanks, buddy. Bye-bye.